Good day, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I believe you are all doing good. Today, I will discuss about the ways of choosing a rightful partner. Love is the bond that connects us all, but finding a life partner can be incredibly difficult. Life is sweet, and the best sweetness of this life is having a good partner. Today, I will be telling you things you need to keep in mind when you are looking for a good partner. Number 1. Look for God-fearing partner. The one that is strong spiritually. The one that will keep remembering you that we are going somewhere after this life. Number 2. Look for a partner that suits you. It's very important to look for your specs. Don't marry out of pity, or you're thinking you want to help your partner. What I mean is that a situation where there's no real love, but because of the person's condition, for instance, of a lady that has no teeth, she's beautiful, but people are ignoring her for having no teeth. This is what you see that makes you go closer and propose to her. Before you make a proposal, firstly ask yourself, can you live with someone with no teeth for life? This is what's applicable to every other conditions. Many ladies marry a guy on wheelchair, while many guys does the same as well, and they're happy in their marriage. They have no issues because they accepted to live with their partners despite their ailments. Number 3. Look for your specs. One of the greatest mistakes you can make is to think you can change someone who doesn't want to change. Many people fall into this by believing that they have an ability to change someone who is not ready to change his bad manners. Many people believe that when they are in love, they can just complain to their partner about their attitudes and they will change with ease. It's true that love makes one behave stupid, but all the same, things might not go as you think. Make sure it change that bad manners before you marry, or accept that that's how it will be for life. If it's literally changed, congratulations, but if not, you will take it as your fate. It is worse when you don't share the same values. You start by working on their imperfections with a goal to fix and tailor them into your specifications. You work on dress sense, manners, attitudes, actions, lifestyles, appearance, ideas, friends, and so on. So if you know you can do all this, no problem. But if not, there will be a problem in your marriage. So it's better to stay on your lane, look for your specs, and be happy in your marriage. Number 4. Look for playmates. It's good to be with someone who gives you time, who loves to be with you, and you also love to be with. Marriage is not a battleground or military zone, and not where you be taking everything serious or personal. Find someone whom you will be playing together, joking together, and making everything lively. Number 5. Find someone you can trust. In these days and age, it's extremely important to choose someone you can trust. You cannot lead a happy marriage or be a happy married wife if you cannot trust each other. Trust is something very essential. Believe in yourself and have faith. Number 6. Look for someone who will have respect for you. It will be difficult for you to live with someone who has no respect for you, your goals, or your personality. Look for someone who will be looking at you as a king or queen, who will be giving you a better treatment, not a man who sees marriage as a war. When he won one battle, he will start fighting another one. I mean, the one that will abandon you and be chasing other ladies. Or a woman who values her career more than her family. Number 7. Look for someone who can reason with you. Marriage is not all about a beautiful face or being handsome, 18 figure, big boobs, or big buttock. Look for someone that have an intellectual quotient. Intellectual is another essential thing you need to consider. Remember, you are going to live together for life. That's why you need a partner that can plan future with you, the one that can make you more focused on necessity of life, not a man who spends all his time in beer parlor or a lady who loves shopping than anything. As a couple, you need to plan your life, plan your future, plan for your coming children. Think of something you can do to make your life more better and how you can make it work. Join me on the next video where I will be continue things you need to keep in mind when you are looking for a good partner. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And before then, take care and have a nice day.